Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video. I'm going to show you how to create your custom drag force in Pyro. So for Pyro, okay, for Pyro simulation, let's get started. So let's create a simple geometry. Let's create a geometry here, as you can see, and call this Pyro custom drag force. And let's create a sphere and create a mountain. And the next step is, of course, we're gonna change this to polygon, increase the frequency, and increase the height, as you can see. And let's compute the velocity. Of course, we're gonna add $FF. We have a simple simulation over there, simple animation, and that's too high. Let's divide it by 4, and that's awesome. Maybe 6. Yes. Okay, the next step is we wanna compute the velocity. We're gonna use a trail that will compute not transform but trail. Okay, trail and compute velocity. Okay, the next step is, as you can see, we have a V attribute, and let's attribute transfer our V attribute back to the original sphere. Okay, so now we have a random velocity on this surface of the sphere. Okay, the next step is we want to create a fluid source. So this operator will convert your v into velocity field. Okay, as you can see. Okay, the next step is you want to add a null and call this out pyro source. We're not okay. The next step is we want to add a dot network, and we call this pyro sim, and we dive inside and we'll call this pyro solver. And let's add our smoke object. We wanna add a fluid source volume, and just like this. And let's go to add pyro source. Let's put. Okay, the next step is let's play this. Of course, you wanna add a resize, guys. Resize fluid dynamic and max bound. We don't want any clamping. Okay. Of course, nothing happened. Let's troubleshoot. Let's add our velocity, and I do not know why which is happening. Maybe we should go up and height other. Okay, I do not know why it's not working. Volume path density. Okay, let's increase the velocity. Oh god, what's happening here? Let's increase the, oh, that's too small, I know it, that's why. Okay, let's increase this bounding box, and let's see. Here we go, we can see we have a very simple smoke simulation, and of course we want to add our custom drag force. And maybe I'm gonna change the background to dark, and as you can see, and this okay, the next step is when I add a custom drag. To create a custom drag, it's very easy, and the best way is using gas field fob. You want to compute the distance. Okay, gas field fob, gas field fob, and put it velocity update. In velocity update, that was the action. Okay, oh no, gas wrangle. Okay, and we call this at push factor. Push is point, I don't know, 0.0, and we want to compute the distance at no, fluid this is equals to distance push, and at P, just like that. And of course we wanna compute our val multiplied by the distance. Fit range, and that's maybe around 2 to 3 meters, so 2.3. and of course when I compute the distance, and let's convert it maybe 1 to 0.2, so that way the speed will decrease, will be multiplied with this value, this yeah, this two value. Okay, let's see what we have. So as you can see in here, we should have, as you can see, we have a very slow in here. So if you want to compare the result, so yeah, just like that. As you can see, I have a very nice drag force. You know, you can mix this with file original file ori. You know, I speak Indonesian, so maybe it's a bit different than your language. So file ori is equal to add val. So we wanna mix those two factors. So basically we wanna add val is a lerp function. We wanna lerp file ori with our current modified file, and we wanna put a channel. Maybe we call this a threshold. Yeah, just like that. And we come back. Maybe we want this from now. Let's put it 0, which mean we have no drag, I think. Yeah, because we're using the original file. Okay, let's click a flip book in here. Maybe I'm just gonna save this, and yeah, let's create a simple flip book, and I'm gonna accept. Let's see what we have. Here we go. This is no drag, no custom drag. You'll see. I hope you will see the different. So this is no drag. As you can see here, no drag, as you can see in the in the I don't know how to speak English properly, so I'm sorry. So I just want to create this simple tutorial as good as possible. So let's so this is no drag, and okay, we stop this and we go to sequence list, and okay, I don't know how to. Maybe we call this version 1, and let's control the threshold. Maybe this this is 1.5 threshold, and let's create another flipbook. Accept. As you can see the difference, so now we have a custom drag force in here, so that's awesome. So as you can see the difference between those two things, we have a custom drag force right now, so it's very awesome. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.